Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can capture part of screen using OBS Studio. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my OBS Studio, and first thing first, I'm going to add source to my project. We can click on this plus button and then select display capture, and we can select create new and click on OK, then click on OK again. Okay, and after that, if we want to capture part of our screen, we can tap on the display right here until it's active. As you can see by the red outline that the display is active, and we're going to use our Alt key to capture part of our screen. So you can press your Alt key on your keyboard, and then you can drag it like this, and then select the part that you want to capture. Oops, press the Alt key. Okay, press and hold the Alt key while you are dragging your screen. Okay, now it's done. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can capture part of our screen using OBS Studio. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.